In this video, I'll be giving you a beginner's guide on how to create a YouTube channel, and I'll also be teaching you how to optimize your YouTube channel for success. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. What's up, YouTube? It's your host with the most entertaining people like you from coast to coast, Waveman Mike, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you to go press the like button. And now that we've done that, I don't want to waste any more time, so let's get into it. First up, you're gonna need to create a name. Be original. Make sure your name is something easy to tell the difference from other channels. For example, don't make your name PewDiePie when there's already another PewDiePie. Think of something new, something that no one else has named. It can be words, it can be phrases, it can be anything, as long as it's easy to differentiate yourself from others. Also, make sure it's something easy to find. That way, if you're telling somebody on the street about your YouTube channel, they don't have to worry about finding out how to spell your YouTube name. So don't name your channel Bubblegumorama, because when you're telling somebody that that's your YouTube channel name, they're gonna have no idea how to spell that. And odds are they're probably not gonna try. In fact, they probably will forget it by the time you finish saying it. A good idea to think about is just naming your YouTube channel after your actual name. So if your name is Nicholas Booth, maybe name your YouTube channel Nicholas Booth or Nick Booth or something along those lines. You can never really go wrong with your actual name, unless of course somebody is already using your real name. Next up, create a profile picture and a banner. This is actually quite easy. You can use your phone, your laptop, pretty much anything with software that you can download to edit pictures. You can even draw them. For your profile picture, it can simply be a picture of your face, or it can be a picture of, a plant or something strange, but something that's unique to you. It could also be a drawing of your face. Just think of something that your subscribers can easily identify you. Next up, think of video ideas. So first up, you're gonna want to determine your niche. If you're wondering what a niche is, because, some people might not know what that word means. A niche is basically just another word for topic. So your niche could be fashion, and the videos you'll post would be shirts, pants, shoes, things like that. Once you determine your niche, you're going to need to search up the best keywords in that topic. For example, if your channel is about sneakers, you can use a keyword tool to see what topics about sneakers are trending. Maybe it's Jordans, maybe it's Adidas or Balenciagas. And the best thing about this is that the keywords are constantly changing. So if one thing's trending one week, it may not be trending the next week, and you have something else to talk about that week. Next up, study other creators, specifically the creators that are going to be in the niche that you're trying to make your YouTube channel about. See what works for them. Ask yourself, how can their success be applied to your channel? If you see that they're doing something and they're getting many views and many subscribers, then odds are it might work for you as well. Don't think of this as copying that creator. Instead, think of them as your inspiration. Now that you've done all of that, it's time to record videos. You can use just about any camera. There are many different cameras on the market. There's DSLRs, there's mirrorless cameras. You can even use the camera on your smartphone. However, I don't recommend you using the webcam on your laptop, because the video quality on laptops usually aren't the best. Now, unless you plan on hiring an editor, I recommend you learn how to edit yourself. Research different editing apps that you can use and that seem like they will be easy for you to use, especially for somebody who's new to doing it. And you know what's so great about that? There are plenty of reviews on YouTube that you can watch to learn how to use each of those apps. However, most of them are easy enough for you to learn how to use them on your own without ever needing a tutorial. I recommend just downloading more than one and trying them out and see which one you like best. Here are two very important tips when it comes to editing. Tip number one, don't under edit. And tip number two, don't over edit. Yes, those are both very real things. Let me give you an example of what it looks like to under edit. You see how all of this is in the video and it seems like it shouldn't be? Yeah, this should have been edited out. I think that spoke for itself. And then over editing, I really don't need to give you an example of that one. I'm pretty sure you've come across creators who over edit. You know, the ones that have a billion cuts and then music like every 4 seconds blasting as loud as it can. Yeah, don't be that guy. And you know what? I'll give you a bonus third tip for editing, and that is trial and error. Listen, you're gonna try and you're gonna fail a few times, probably more times than you're comfortable with. But each time you fail, you learn exactly what you don't want to do next time. So just like anything else in life, the more you do it, the better you'll get. Next up, now that you've recorded the videos and edited the videos, it's time to upload the videos. This is easy. Just open the YouTube app, click the little plus button at the bottom, and you'll have an option to upload the videos. It's as simple as that. I recommend when you first upload the video to upload it as unlisted rather than public. This way you can make tweaks to the video before you actually upload it to the public. And what tweaks, you may ask? This is where you're gonna need to make a good title and a good description. This can actually be quite difficult. You need to find something that a lot of people are constantly searching up. For example, the video I'm making right now. A good title for this video would be how to create a YouTube channel. A bad example for a title would be want to make a YouTube channel? See how random that is? Just think, when you were searching up this video that you're watching right now, did you type in that? No. Odds are you probably typed in something like how to create a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, how to make a YouTube channel, something like that. Something that you can just think of off the top of your head. Exactly. So if your YouTube channel is about McDonald's for whatever reason, and your video is about sauces, the title could be, what are the best sauces from McDonald's? Because odds are somebody's probably searching that up if they're searching for McDonald's videos. I don't know why they would be, but they might. This goes back to the beginning. Search up keywords. There are many apps out there that can tell you exactly what people are searching up. It'll tell you how many people are searching them up, how much competition there is for those video topics, pretty much everything you need to know. So make sure to utilize those tools. Next up, make good thumbnails. If you don't know what a thumbnail is, it's basically just the picture you see before you click on the video. This can pretty much be anything. It can even just be a screenshot from the video, like this. You can also include words, but do not overdo it, kinda like this. Next up, you want to study your analytics. This is for when you've already uploaded several videos. So you need to see which videos get the most attention. You can also see what do people search up when they find your videos or when they find your channel in general. Whatever they're searching up is what you should be making your videos about. And now that you've studied your analytics and you have all this new knowledge, now you can apply that to your next video. Now the last step, and possibly the most important step, manage your time. Yes, time management is very important because things can quickly get out of control if you do not manage your time. Being a YouTuber, you have many responsibilities. So make sure you set time during your day for you to write scripts, for you to record videos, for you to edit those videos, to upload those videos, make titles for those videos, make descriptions for those videos, pick tags for those videos, make thumbnails for those videos. Yeah, there's a lot you need to do. So just make sure you plan accordingly. If you really want to be a YouTuber, these are things you have to think about. But that is all I can think of to talk about in this beginner's guide for how to create a YouTube channel. I really hope that it helped you out. And if it did, then make sure to go press the like button. It's seriously the least you can do. I just spent all of this time helping you, so you can just spend 1 second helping me. Also, do me a favor and leave a comment down below. Just comment the letters SEO. Don't ask why, just do it. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm Waveman Mike. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enjoy your day.